Mark. A little late on my shot, but now this is thief. No. Here. Sit. No. Good. Back. Doing some angle entry on the vine. Freaking awesome, buddy. Back. 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 Good job. Now this is Steve. I might have said thud earlier, but this is Steve. We've been off the water tee for about 2.5 weeks. Now as you can see, I've already thrown some major. This blind right here we're running is 225 yards. Back! Back! Good cast. I'm gonna let him go on that. He should be down. Yeah, there he goes. He's downwind. So sit. Over. I ain't quite getting what I'm wanting right there. I'll work on that. But that bank's fixing to get hot as soon as he gets on it. No. Over. Over. I want him to understand the water concept. But you have to admit, the pup is 7 months old, a little over 7 now, and I'm throwing a lot of variables at him right now. A poison bird on a shoreline, a ton of, we got entry, re-entry, a point and an entry off of that point, and that point I'll clean up over there where he'll skim it. Good. Here, sit. Mark. Thief! Take the water's edge. There you go. There you go. Good dog, thief! Now, you gotta admit, guys, this is rocking. You do your dogs right from the very start, this is what you get really, 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 really quick, ain't it? And absolutely loves it. Don't you? Don't you? Don't you? You like it? You like, how much do you like? I bet you like it a lot. Hey, 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 come on. And he is a marking fool. Absolutely love these slick puppies. I got another one that's coming up real doggone quick. Her name is Allie. Sit. And Thud is rocking right on along with him. Good dog. You ready to go do some more? It's not your turn next. We got a truckload of them to work.